Hey everyone, it's nice to see something genuinely unique in a market full of low and mid-range devices. You don't use the Ulefone Armor 27T Pro every day. With a beginning price of about $300, it caters to a specific market that wants a durable, multi-purpose tool rather than just a smartphone. Let's examine if its features and performance are worth the price tag. The Armor 27T Pro's tough intents are hinted at right away throughout the packaging process. The phone comes with a 33-watt power brick, a USB Type-C charging cable, a SIM card ejector tool, a wrist strap, and the standard documentation. The Armor 27T Pro is the epitome of a robust smartphone in terms of design. Its combination of plastic, rubber, and metal gives it a sturdy yet ergonomic appearance. The gadget is perfect for harsh environments because it is certified with IP68 and IP69K standards and is impervious to water, dust, and grime. Its 6.78-inch IPS display with full HD Plus resolution is one of its most notable features. Victus protected screen has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Nonetheless, the bezels are notably bigger, which adds to its sturdy design, as is case with many rugged phones. Unique feature of Armor 27T Pro is its thermal imaging capacity. Professionals in a variety of fields find it invaluable since it is equipped with the Lepton thermal imager, which enables users to detect temperature variations in real time. The program provides exceptional precision and versatility, whether it is used to broadcast real-time thermal data or identify problematic areas in underfloor heating. Its connection features, however, have sparked worries about possible dangers in military applications. The Dimensity 6300 CPU, which enables 5G connectivity, powers the phone's internal components. Although its performance is enough for daily chores and moderate gaming, it is not a flagship chipset. This is shown in benchmark scores, as the phone received 456,441 points on AnTuTu. While games like PUBG Mobile function well on medium settings, popular games like Genshin Impact may be played at low settings. The sound quality from the single speaker is sufficient, yet the audio capabilities are limited. The phone is completely certified for Google services and has connectivity features like NFC for Google Pay. It has 256 gigs of internal storage and 12 gigs of RAM, which can be practically increased by an additional 12 gigs. Both 30-watt wireless and 33-watt wired charging are supported for the 10,600 mAh battery. With moderate use, the phone may easily last up to 3 days on a full charge. Additionally, it has reverse wireless charging, which enables 5-watt powering of other devices. The camera configuration consists of a 64 megapixels night vision camera, a 32 megapixels front camera, and a 50 megapixels Samsung primary sensor. The primary camera produces high-quality images and videos, and 2K recording can be stabilized. The phone is a flexible tool for a variety of settings thanks to the night vision capability, which adds another level of functionality. In conclusion, the Ulefone Armor 27T Pro is not a smartphone that is available to the general public. It's a specialized tool made for people that want durability, toughness, and special capabilities like a thermal imager. It performs exceptionally well for its intended usage, even though it might not be the greatest option for gaming or light daily use. If these are your top priorities, it's worth taking into account because of its sturdy construction, remarkable battery life, and cutting-edge features. Would you invest in a smartphone like this, or do you think it's overkill for your needs? Share your thoughts, have a nice day, and God bless you.